Hi guys, I haven't made a YouTube video for ages. Well, I'm going to show you my full fidget box. It is absolutely massive, okay? So there you go. It literally is massive. I'll do some inspections on it now. So I've got two of these like tangled together. I don't know what they're called. They're really fun to play with. They make guns out of them. You make other stuff. They're really funny, like, you make triangles out of them, and they're really cool to play with. So I put them back. And then I've got some Pokemon cards. Go like this with them. Whee! And chuck them. You just chuck them all day and have fun chucking them. So let's put that one over there. Really fun. And then I actually got this one the other night. These are sand squishies. You squeeze them and they stay like that. Unless you leave them for about 65 hours and they go back. And they're really cool to play with. So they're really cool. And then there's other ones like a Ryan toy where you just fiddle with it and go blah, 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 and just make sounds with it. And then I've got quite a lot of these. I'm just getting them out now. I've got the rarest one. So that's why I've got lots and lots of these. Make sure I haven't got any more. Just wait there. No, haven't got any more. So these little doodle Star Wars things. So I'll show you them, look. There. Right, I'll show you the rarest one. So the rarest one you can get is this. And then the third rarest, I gave the second one to my friend. Third rarest is this one. Okay. And then fourth rarest is this one. It's quite cool to play with. And then fourth rarest, this one. And then the fifth rarest, this one. They are really fun to play with. I'm going to put them over there. And I'll show you some more fidgets I've got. Right, let me show you. Just getting all of my poppets and I'll show you all of them. My poppets are really cool to play with. Make sure I haven't got any more. Oh yeah, I have. So these are all my poppets. I've got 1, 2, 3, which I've been holding probably, 4, 5, and then my favourite one, 6. So this one, I'll start from the 6th one, which is my favourite one. So you squeeze that bit like that, and then it pops. So like that, and then and it pops. They're really fun to play with. I hope someone gets the one like that. It's really loud. Right, my second favourite one, this one. So because it's Baby Yoda, and I normally like Baby Yoda, and I watch a lot of Mandalorian. Has anyone watched the Mandalorian series, the new ones? Please comment down below, because I know what to watch it on Disney Plus, but I wonder if I should watch it or not. Tell me if it's really good. And some of you, if you watched the first one and you found it really good or really boring, and you've watched the second one and you say it's really better, just put that in the comments. Sometimes I don't know how to undisable the comments. So if you can, put that in the comments if the comments are there. Okay, but just make sure that you explain it good, because sometimes I just don't get it for some reason. Right, yep, that's it. That's for the fidgets, the poppets. Right. I've got another one of these actually. This is what I made a couple of years ago actually. I made this. It's a little rectangle. I've kept it for ages because I used to do this. And it's funny. Alright, let's make sure I haven't got any more of these. Oh, I don't know if you know, guys. Could you comment in the description and tell me if I've done this before? I might have. If anyone watches Footy Mad, it's a channel. Footy and Prime Mad, it's my brother's channel. It's really, really good. Look, these two cars, he gave me them when he was younger. And he showed me them. And I like playing with them. You can just run them into each other if you really want to. But yeah, I can say something. Make sure that I haven't done two of the same videos in the comments if they're there. But make sure to like and subscribe, by the way. Right, show you the next fidget. And before I show you the next fidget, I'll actually say something. So soon, I'm going to making some merch. But I won't have a website. But I'll just show it on YouTube and stuff. No one can buy it, but I'll just show it on YouTube every day what I've made of merch. Or something that I've made on paper, which is like my merch. And anyway, I'm wearing pyjamas because I just had a football match. My team won 3-2. Very good. Play for Chesterfield Town. Right, and I've got a slappy hand, so you can slap. You put your fingers in this little ring, and you slap like that. It's really fun to play with. Right, then I've got another really cool fidget that some of you might have seen. I've never seen it, and then my mum brought it home one day. I was like, well, I've never seen that. Could you show me what to do with it? She said, I don't really know what to do. Search on the internet. And it's this. So what you do is, you put it in like that. You put them in like that. And basically, just like, you put it on like this. Put it upside down, and you go like that. Whee! Like this. You ready? I can't really show you. Right, let me show you guys. So get it like this. And then you go like this. So it's really hard to set up. Like that. Really fun to play with as well. So make sure these, I don't know what they're called, but they're just really cool to play with. But they're fun. Or if anyone's ever been to Magna, the science adventure place, if you have and you've not subscribed, subscribe, because you can actually get these from Magna, the science adventure place. These, the flashy balls, they flash red and blue. Can you see the light in between it? And it'll stop. Right, so the next ones, these are just toys really. I can't really say the fidgets, but I make some fidgets. These. That's, I don't know what it's called. We used to have a game, and this was one of the fidgets from the game. If anyone knows, please put this like video or like on like Google and on Google Camera or video, and look what the games it's from. I will do it today actually. And look, this one is just like a little thing you can play with like that. They're fun to play with anyway, so I'm glad I've got them. And then this, it's not actually a fidget, it's just a bracelet. But I make it a fidget by going like this. Yeah. So I've got quite fun fidgets. And then I've got another toy. It's just a dinosaur. So you go like that, you wiggle it, and you can go, you can stretch its legs. Yeah. And another one, fidget spinner. Everyone knows what a fidget spinner is. You go like that. It's really hard to control though on one thumb. But it's fun. Right, bye guys. Hope you had a good day watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment if the comments are in there.